If you use Microsoft Edge every day, adding the home button can make your browsing much faster and easier. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to add the home button to Microsoft Edge in just a few simple steps. This is a quick tweak, but it's really useful if you want one-click access to your favorite homepage or a specific website whenever you open your browser. If this tutorial helps you out, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech guides just like this. Now let's jump right in. First, open Microsoft Edge on your computer. Once the browser is open, look to the top right corner and click the three-dot menu. That's the main menu where you'll find all of Edge's settings and customization options. From the menu, click Settings. This will open the browser settings page, where you can change how Edge looks and behaves. On the left side, or sometimes within the settings sections depending on your version, find and click Appearance. After that, look for the Toolbar section. This is where Microsoft Edge keeps the options for buttons and icons that appear at the top of the browser. Inside the Toolbar settings, find the Home button option and turn the toggle on. As soon as you enable it, the Home button should appear in the Edge toolbar, usually near the address bar. If you want, you can also set what page the Home button opens, so it can take you to your preferred homepage or website instantly. That's especially handy if you always start your browsing from the same page, like a search engine, news site, or work dashboard. And that's all there is to it. You've now added the Home button to Microsoft Edge. It only takes a few clicks, but it can make your browsing experience a lot more convenient. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more simple tutorials, helpful computer tips, and step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.